It's good to be back, and Find Your Fearless sign is now on a maintenance bay shed, which is something that we all kind of expected. Knew for a long time, but everyone was saying, is it just going to be called Fearless? And I was like, who knows? So yeah, it's called Find Your Fearless on the maintenance bay, and it's all about now waiting for more and more test runs today, which I believe they are. Oh no, Colossus is going to make some noise. So bear with me 1 second before I continue. That's better. Right, test runs today. Obviously, Find Your Fearless sign is a brand new theme. The queue line's looking really good now, and I can actually see it from this side, public area for theme park opening. You can actually see the queue line zigzag. So I spoke to one of the project managers for B&E to say, how's the queue line going? And he actually showed me and pointed it where it was. And yeah, it's looking really good from here. So yeah, very good indeed. So obviously, how I saw it is between those fences there. You can see the gaps and how the area looks like so far. And he pointed out how it looks. And yeah, the queue fencing looks amazing. And I'm really impressed as well. Obviously, let's talk about this because it's a big thing for the channel back a few months ago. Look at all those plants. The landscaping looks amazing, and it's only going to get bigger as time goes on. I don't know how much I can get around here now, because now it's pretty much open around the corner. So let's take a look. I've been down. Oh yeah, there's still a lot of work to do, of course. So yeah, there's still a few things done, as you can see they are to do. But yeah, in terms of like queue fence, oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's looking good from this side now, so there's people around it as well. So yeah, it's looking progressively well. First test run of the day. And that's the first test run. 14 seconds of airtime during your experience at points. It's nuts, it really is. Over 80 miles an hour, the UK's tallest and fastest ride. I'm so lucky to have this here, really am. I can't wait to be on a Mac product again at Thorpe Park. Or should I say Mac rides. I'm just so grateful we've got one here, and we've got Mac rides called a Flying Fish around the corner as well from here. So yeah, if you haven't been on the Flying Fish, get yourself down here and do that as well. We've got some good rides here for sure. Not just Hyperia or Flying Fish. And you got the noises right behind me there. Here we go, test 2 of the day. Check this out. Oh my day. Without holding the camera, watch this. My days. Oh, what a ride. It's a smooth ride as well. Can't wait to get on there. Hyperia's got building lights. You can see the lights as it's going along as well. So those lights down there are for the building. Can't wait to Fright Nights now. It's getting real. So I've been on Samurai in its new colour form, which is really nice and neat. And as you might have seen just then, the splashdown effects are now been added to it, and then you can see the queue line has officially started now. And yeah, I think that must have been recently they've added those queue lines. So but what I'm seeing, it's looking really much alive and well, and the speed of it though is getting to the point where, you know, 29 days it's now on. That water effect is going to be some wow to it. So yeah, you can actually see it on your screens now how it looks. There's throughout the concrete edges, so they put special effects on them. So that's where we should be seeing in a few weeks' time, or hopefully sooner than we expect to be there. So these metal structures are for the queue line. So these will be going, as you can see, all the ones pretty much light colour sand, concrete, should I say? But yeah, they're going to be right around here, and that's your queue line for the extension point. To find your feelers isn't too long. So the test run was going extremely well to a point. At that moment there, it's all safety, they're sorting it out now. But I want to show you something as before it goes over the lift hill. I want to show you something that you will see on opening day. But they're putting food and beverage unit during the queue line or before the queue line, they're telling me. So I want to show you where that is now. So over here, some point over here, will be food and beverage unit. Where the white carpet is, that's the queue line. So I think at some point it'd be over here. So yeah, at some point we're going to see it. But yeah, just going to wait for this now. It's still at the top at the moment, but engineers are on site, and there's people on operate as well, making sure, knowing what they're doing when it comes to certain situations. It's all safety, no need to panic. Here we go. As you can see right there, the building is actually lit up with lights. That's so nice. It's a bit grey, so you can actually see the colour, and it's been drizzling a little bit as well. So a few test runs, I've seen about So I think now it's about 12 tests today since I arrived. So yeah, it's doing alright at the minute, it's really good going. So I've been here since 12 and it's now, oh my gosh, 10 past 3. So yeah, I'm back again tomorrow, so hopefully if you get your chance to come here to the test runs, it could be your lucky day. 29 days to go. And that is your Hyperia update for today. It started to drizzle, so I'm going to get a bus now. And today what we saw was the station building has got lights now. For the first time I've seen it in person. It's already been installed for a while, but I haven't seen it been lit up yet. It might have been lit up for a while, but it's only the first time today I've seen it in one mode today. And the queue line is starting progressively well. It's good to see Wayne today from B&E, shout out to them. And J&O as well. They've done so much for this ride in some speed. It really is amazing. And yeah, don't know what else to cover now. I think we're going to get less and less updates. We are so close now for that opening day. 29 days. So be sure to subscribe to see the opening day and many exciting contents ahead. But we are so close. We are so close. But I need to go somewhere warm now. And that is the bus. And I will see you all opening day. The car park's going to be interesting opening day. I can't imagine it now. But all I can say is this. I'll see you all soon and take care of yourselves. And we meet again.